What's up everybody, Benjamin Watts here, and why am I holding a musical peripheral in the year of 2024? Well, this is the Riffmaster wireless guitar by PDP. Now, this is compatible with Rock Band 4. You know, Rock Band 4, the 2015 game. Well, if you make your logic leaps with me, Rock Band 4 was made by Harmonix, and Harmonix in 2021 was bought by Epic Games, and Harmonix just produced inside the Fortnite metaverse Fortnite Festival, and this little puppy will be the first compatible controller anticipated for Fortnite Festival when they announce compatibility. Ooh, let's check it out. Now, with any musical controller, if you're going to put it out to a mass market, it has to be usable by lefties and righties, and thank goodness this one is. Now, obviously, one of the best features of this is that it's going to have a massive 36 hours of battery life built in, so you can rock out for your heart's content. There's no way this battery is going to die on you on a night session if you start fully charged. What are you, rocking out for days? You nuts? All right, so let's take a look. We've got the head of the guitar up here, obviously with your tuning keys, not real. Now, it's easily detachable because that's how these things come. We're going to move down here to the neck of the guitar. We've got our top frets, traditional from what you're used to seeing in all your rhythm games. We've got green, we got red, yellow, blue, and orange. As we move down here, the frets, we're gonna get to our riff section. Well, that's what I call it. This is where you feel like a true rock star. It gives you that access. The buttons are closer together and give you that authentic rock star feel. Now let's move into the body of the guitar, which if you've ever played a rhythm game is very familiar. We've got our whammy bar, we've got our strum bar, which this strum bar is actually a lot softer than I remember the traditional musical peripherals being. It helped actually immerse me when I was playing on Rock Band 4. There's no clickety clack. There's no click, click, click. Listen. You can kind of hear just a bit of the movement, but there's no that. You're going to see that you're going to get your console button here, PlayStation button here, Xbox for the Xbox version obviously, menu, we've got sharing, we've got a D-pad, we've got this mysterious button here which is the PDP logo. Can't wait to find out more about that. We're going to have a look over here. Now, because this is actually compatible with both PS4 and PS5, you can actually toggle which console you'll be playing on. PS4, PS5, PS4, PS5. It has a USB-C charging port. That's where you're going to charge up to 36 hours of battery life. Obviously, we've got our strap here that's going to connect to there, but also we have a headphone jack. So you can actually plug yourself directly into your controller and be rocking out silently from the comfort of your own room, your lounge room, not disturbing neighbors, partners, pets. Do pets get bothered by rhythm games? I'm sure some do. Then we have our faceplate here, or pick guard, however you want. This is actually removable. Imagine if it wasn't removable, I just ripped it apart. But it is removable. And I actually believe this will be used for custom faceplates to really give your controller the personalized touch. That felt good. That was a very ASMR. Just Now, if we take a look at the back of the guitar, the first feature I recognize is this little joystick up here at the head of the guitar, helping to navigate around your console as needed. And I'm sure if you do get to play this in Fortnite Festival, this will be really easy for emotes while you are playing your song choice. Love that. It also has a really easily collapsible neck here for easy storage. Boom. Look at that. I'm a rock star now. I just broke this guitar. So from my experience playing with the guitar for an hour or two with Rock Band 4, it has a great feel and feels like a modernized version of these instruments. It has a great weight to it. I love the quality of life improvements. I love the idea that I could be able to customize it for myself. Oh, it does have a dongle. That was always kind of a thing with these instruments. But what makes it easy is under this faceplate, I'll look at it quickly, that you actually has a compartment. So you can place your dongle in there so you can transport it around and you'll never lose it because it'll be with your instrument itself. And there you have it. This is the Riffmaster wireless guitar, available sometime in the spring. Price to be determined. You can play it with Rock Band 4 straight out of the box, and hopefully soon we get announced for compatibility with Fortnite Festival. That's how rock stars sound, right? All right, have a good one.